Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Generative Code Art. Hope you guys are doing well and safe at your home. In my previous video, I have created a radially rotating Rangoli pattern. So in my latest video, I am going to create a simple octagonal illusion art only through lines. And the visuals of that is here. As I have already created it, so I have its code with me. So for understanding which part of code is used for what, I am going to comment them. Starting from the beginning, as usual, I have used canvas tag with defined height, width, and background properties, and the button tag with on click and style properties that include some inline CSS. Moving down toward the script tag, I have declared a canvas object using the ID defined above, a context object of 2D type, an array with color used for the stroke of the images, a variable R to define the size of the motif, and the variable I and j are also declared here globally so that their values can be used in both the functions below. After declaration part, let's move to uncomment the code written for the first function line by line. Inside this, first clearrect method is used to clear the canvas. Stroke style method function is used to define the color for the stroke. Then I have used the stroke rect method to draw the grid lines. As of now, I haven't uncommented any code written for the pattern, so the empty canvas will be visible only in the browser. Now I am going to uncomment the octagon polygon method call, which takes context as its parameter. As we have make function call here, so let's see what is written inside that octagon polygon function. Inside this method, I have defined the code for two shapes, the first outer octagon and the second middle squares. So let's first comment the code written for outer octagon, save it and see the same in the browser. After this, I am going to uncomment the code written for the middle squares, save it to see them in the browser. Now, moving back to the main function, I am going to uncomment the code written for the central triangle. Save it to view it in the browser. As of now, 80% of the pattern is completed, so let's move toward the rest 20% of it. In this 20%, I have used translate and rotate method. Here I have used translate method to adjust the origin to some other point so that the rest part of the pattern will begin from some other point. And rotate method is used to move the pattern that is going to be created using the octagon polygon method by some angle. Here I have moved the image by 45 degree. So let's uncomment the function call to the second method octagon polygon, save the code till now and see the rotated pattern in the browser. At last, I have used the translate method again to shift the origin point to the corner end point of the canvas so that by clicking on the button again and again, the created pattern may not get overlapped. Since our pattern is completed, so you can change the stroke color to see the multicolor pattern in the browser. Hope you like the pattern. If you like it, then please share and subscribe it. And also comment on it to give suggestion if any. To see more videos like this, get their link in the description below. Thanks for watching it. See you soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.